All right, listen up. Let's cut the pleasantries. Look around you. Look at your own life. Are you where you want to be? Are you truly creating your reality, or are you just reacting to it? Most people, and I mean here most, are just drifting. They wake up, they go through the motions, they react to emails, react to bills, react to other people's demands. They're passengers in their own lives, not the damn drivers. And you know why? Because they have no clear destination, no blueprint, no intense burning vision of who they're meant to be, what they're meant to achieve. They're living the default life, the one handed to them by circumstance, by societal expectations, by fear. And if you're stuck, if you feel lost, if you're constantly fighting an uphill battle, it's because you've been living without a clear image of your future self. You've been operating on autopilot, letting the world decide your trajectory. This isn't some fluffy self-help crap. This is a cold, hard truth. If you don't define your future, someone or something else will define it for you. And trust me, their definition probably won't align with your deepest desires. So, are you ready to stop letting life happen on you and start making it happen for you? If you want to change your life, comment below right now. Tell me you're ready to stop drifting. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about taking back control. Like this video if you're ready to take action. This is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about the weapon you already possess, but probably haven't learned to wield: your mind. We're talking about manifestation and visualization, but strip away all the woo-woo nonsense. This isn't about sitting on your couch, wishing for $1 million. This is about reprogramming your operating system. It's about building an unshakable vision so potent, so real, that your subconscious mind has no choice but to align your actions with it. Think of it like this. An architect doesn't start building a skyscraper without a detailed blueprint. A general doesn't go to war without a strategy. Why are you trying to build your life without one? Visualization, when done with intensity and discipline, is that blueprint. It's not just seeing a picture, it's feeling it. It's engaging every one of your senses. What does your future self look like? What are they doing? What do they sound like? What emotions are they experiencing? What challenges have they overcome? Get specific. Get granular. This isn't a passive exercise. This is active creation. You are implanting a new reality into your mind, overriding the old limiting beliefs and default programming. You're telling your brain, this is the target. This is who we are becoming. And when you do that consistently, with unwavering belief, your mind starts seeking out opportunities, making connections, and driving you towards that vision. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, not because of magic, but because you've become a magnet for what you've intensely focused on. Share this if it resonated with you. If you understand that your mind is your greatest tool, drop your thoughts in the comments. What does your future self look like? So you've got the vision. It's clear, it's intense, it's burning in your mind. Now what? This is where most people fail. They visualize, they dream, and then they stop. That's not manifestation. That's just daydreaming. The power of visualization isn't just in seeing the future. It's in using that vision to fuel the actions you take today. It's about aligning your daily choices with that future self you're becoming. Every single decision, every habit you build, every challenge you face, ask yourself, does this align with the person I am visualizing? Does this move me closer to that future? If the answer is no, then you course correct. No excuses. This is about discipline. This is about an iron will. When you have an unshakable vision and you consistently take aligned action, reality will bend. It has no choice. You become a force of nature, moving with purpose, unyielding in your pursuit. There will be setbacks, There will be doubts. But your clear, intense vision is your anchor, your compass, your fire. It reminds you why you started, why you can't quit. You will move the world with your power because you've decided to. You've created the blueprint, and you're building it brick by damn brick. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The moment is now. Start visualizing with intensity, act in alignment, and watch reality bend toward the person you want to become. This is your life. Take control. Subscribe for more powerful content that cuts through the noise and demands action. Let's go. This is your time.